Hi all the beautiful girls, welcome back. In today's video, I will highlight the importance of nails, how they can enhance our personal style. So in this video, I will tell you the DIY to improve the flexibility and softness of your nails. It will also include one DIY to improve the thickness of your eyelashes and eyebrows. Plus I will also tell you the nail art and nail colors which are so good for festive season and casual. We need to work internally to improve the quality of our hair and nail. For that purpose, we try to incorporate a healthy diet. We should also take supplements of multivitamins. In case if we have any deficiency, it is covered by that multivitamins. So now I will tell you which kind of multivitamin I am using. For in local brand, I am using this high cap M vitamins. It contains all the essential vitamin and mineral which is very good and essential for girls' health. It contains 60 tablets, so you can easily have these tablets for 2 months. So now I am taking this multivitamin tablet with lukewarm water. Next, to keep your cuticles soft, you need to moisturize it with any moisturizer. I am going to put them on my cuticles. As you can see over here, it will help my cuticles to remain soft and flexible. I will also use them on my nails. Next, I'm going to make a DIY solution for strong. For that, I would need a garlic paste, approximately half a spoon. Then I will add little bit of olive oil. As you have already know that ginger is really helpful in keeping your nails strong, so you need to apply this on your nails. It will really work to improve texture and strongness of your nails. Now I am going to prepare a DIY for the thickness of my eyelashes and eyebrows. So for that purpose, I will use glycerin, half a tablespoon or 1 tablespoon. You have to use equal quantity. So I am putting half tablespoon of glycerin and as you know that castor oil is so good for thickness of hair, so you can also do a hair massage of this oil if you have thin hairs. I'm going to add an equal quantity of castor oil. Now I'm going to mix both these oils. Now today I haven't applied any mascara to my eyes because I have to apply this DIY. Now I'm going to apply this DIY over my eyelashes, and it will really work, and you will see a visible difference, and your lashes will become really thick after using this for over 1 month. So our DIY are done now, and now let's jump to nail art. So I'm going to use these color for nail art, and I will be also using one toothpick to draw a pattern. So let's begin. So first, for the base color, I am going to apply this baby pink nail paint color on my nails. top of it, I'm going to add a little bit of dots of dark pink nail polish. Now I'm going to add white dots over these pink dot, but the dot should be very tiny. My nail look like after these artwork. Swab, and I'm going to remove this nail paint. Now I will apply this dark blue shade on my other hand. This was the first coating. Adding the second coat, that's how my nails look like. Look quite funky, so you can wear this nail polish for your casual dresses and for wedding events as well. Hope you have enjoyed my video related to nails, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Don't forget to subscribe if you find this video helpful. Bye.